In today's video, let's take a look at the way that you can create BeReal comments. If you're trying to comment on one of your friend's posts, inside of BeReal, let me show you how it is done. Just open up the BeReal app and then head over to the post that you're trying to comment on. For this video, I'm just going to head over to the search bar and search for one of the accounts. As I said, just head over to the exact post that you're trying to comment on. And once you open up a post, you'll be able to see the comment section. Here, either you can add in a text or even an emoji where you'll be able to add in your picture as well. So to add in just text, you can just type it in and then hit send and your comment will be made. If you're trying to add in an emoji post, you can tap on it and then you'll be able to choose either from one of your BeReal posts or take a emoji straight away, which is going to open up your camera. So this is the exact way that you create BeReal comments. If this guide video was helpful, do let us know by giving it a thumbs up and also do subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this.